Welcome to Impex. This is the Marcy Treadmill, an amazing cardio machine built to help you burn fat and calories. Let's take a look. Before we start using the treadmill, let's take a look at some of the features that come included. The center for most of your treadmill's features is the console at the front of your machine. Attached is a slim magazine tray to hold some reading materials during your workout. When you're ready to get started, attach the safety clip to yourself and make sure the magnetic end is securely inserted to the console. If the magnetic key disconnects, the treadmill will stop. The panel options allow you to customize your workout to help you achieve your fitness goals. The start button option starts the machine at a slow speed, allowing you to make speed adjustments afterwards. The mode option allows you to set your goals for distance, calorie burn, or time before you start your workout. The program option provides you with 10 preset training routines that stimulate different terrains. Once you've decided on a workout option, you can make additional small adjustments using the speed plus and minus buttons, or larger changes using the speed presets above. Finally, when you're done with your workout, we'll fold the handle and monitor, then pull the lever behind the console to collapse the treadmill. Use the transport wheels to move and store your machine.
Get your daily cardio started in a flash with the easy assembly foldable treadmill. Unwind as you take steps towards a new you on this space-saving treadmill. Quickly track your progress on the digital monitor as you go from a slow-paced walk to an all-out hill climb up the fixed incline, up to 5 miles per hour. Feel safe and secure with the onboard handrails and sturdy frame that supports users up to 220 pounds in user weight. Equipped with transportation wheels and a foldable design, this product can be stored virtually anywhere. Jumpstart your in-home cardio workout today with the easy assembly foldable. solution is here. No space or save space with this space-saving folding treadmill. This walking or running treadmill can virtually fit in any room or office. The space-saving design carries a small footprint. Simply unfold and hit start to get your workout going. This treadmill is designed with a motor mounted below to create more running space. The powerful motor has a maximum speed of 7 miles per hour. Walk for those lighter workout days, or up your tempo by running. See all your gains and losses on the multi-display backlit console. Simple to use buttons to quickly start and stop. An auto pause feature so you won't lose your workout progress. This treadmill has built-in transportation wheels for portability and folds easily for storage. Whatever your fitness goals, this space-saving treadmill will get you there.